In today's video, we're talking about a simple but game-changing exercise, the squat. You might think it's just for building leg muscles, but wait until you hear how squats can transform your entire body and even your life. Let's dive in. First, squats help you build muscle mass all over your body. They engage your quads, hamstrings, calves, and even your core, boosting testosterone and growth hormones for serious muscle gains. Want to grow muscle? Squats are a must. Squats also help you burn fat. Muscles burn fat, and the more muscle you have, the more fat you'll burn, even when you're not working out. So, if fat loss is your goal, squats should be at the top of your list. Squats are fantastic for improving your mobility. They increase strength and endurance in your legs, which means you'll feel less fatigue and move more freely in daily life. Plus, full-range squats help prevent injuries and keep you active longer. Want better control over your movements? Squats enhance your coordination. They improve your muscle awareness and help you perform better in other exercises, like lunges or deadlifts. It's a skill that translates to almost everything you do. Squats don't just work your legs, they also work your core. Believe it or not, squats activate your abdominal muscles better than crunches. So, if you want to tone your abs, make squats a daily habit. One of the best things about squats is that they help prevent injuries. By strengthening your lower body, hips, and lower back, squats reduce the risk of injury. Plus, they improve your body's stability, so you're less likely to strain a muscle or hurt yourself while doing other activities. Want to perform better in sports or your workouts? Squats help boost your overall performance. Whether it's running, jumping, or lifting, squats make you stronger and more explosive. Athletes swear by them for improving speed, agility, and endurance. Squats are great for your joint health, too. They strengthen your hips, knees, and ankles, and when done correctly, squats distribute the load evenly across your joints, reducing stress and preventing long-term damage. Squats also help you increase flexibility. The deeper you squat, the more flexible your hips, calves, and ankles become. This helps with mobility and makes every movement easier. Squats can even help relieve lower back tightness. When done right, they relax the muscles in your lower back, reducing tension and pressure on your spine. If you suffer from back pain, squats might just be the relief you need. Ankle mobility is crucial, and guess what? Squats can help improve it. Regular squatting helps keep your ankles mobile and prevents issues like chronic sprains or plantar fasciitis. That's some serious ankle protection right there. Squats are incredibly functional. You might think squats are just for bodybuilders, but honestly, they're for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a beginner, squats improve your day-to-day functional strength. They help with almost every movement, from standing up to lifting heavy objects, and the best part? They're super adaptable to your fitness level. Squats also engage your posterior chain. That's everything from your hamstrings to your glutes and lower back. Strengthening these muscles is key for improving posture and enhancing your functional strength for daily life. Finally, squats are incredibly versatile and practical. Whether you're at home or in the gym, you can always do squats. They mimic natural movements like sitting and standing, which makes them even more effective. Incorporate squats into your daily routine, and you'll notice how much easier everyday activities become. Now let's quickly go over how to perform a perfect body weight squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Tighten your core and keep your chest up. Push your hips back and lower down, keeping your knees behind your toes. Go as deep as you can while keeping your heels on the ground. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Repeat. See how simple and effective squats are? Incorporating them into your daily routine can completely change your body. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more fitness tips.